牧師通り英語講座第3課景色自然 Describing nature in Minamiuonuma 単語 Autumn leaves Cherry blossoms Trekking Wildlife Wild vegetables Rice field Heavy snowfall Sea of clouds Unkai Fog Windy Rainy Hemp Ski area Ski resort Mushroom Humidity Garden Blue sky Public park Magnificent Refreshing Natural hot spring Animals Birds Climate Temperature Cherry blossom viewing Castle ruins Flowers Locals' relationship with nature 地元の人と自然の関わり A respect for the natural environment has been passed on in the Yukiguni region for generations. Thanks to the heavy snow, Minamiuonuma's specialty rice, sake, and textiles can all be made. Hiking trails and public parks help visitors and locals appreciate the beautiful environment. Blank is a great place to experience the outdoors. There is a lot of wildlife to see in Minamiuonuma, like blank. Explaining uniquely Japanese activities 日本の習慣独自なことの説明 What is an onsen? What is hanami? What is koyo? What is unkai? An onsen is a Japanese natural hot spring. Hanami is a Japanese custom of viewing cherry blossoms in the spring. Koyo is the Japanese word for leaves changing color in autumn. Unkai is a natural phenomenon where a basin looks like it's a sea of clouds.